What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Mike's Tech Talk. I am your man, Mike. And as you can see in front of me today, I have the Apple Airpods. Now, I have these side by side with my iPhone XR that I've been using for the last couple of weeks. Video will be coming up soon on this, my full review of the device. But today, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and a pair to the iPhone XR and to show just one of the reasons why these are such coveted headphones. These have been out for about 2 years now, but a lot of people are starting to really pick up on the trend. And this is actually my second pair. So the first pair that I had, I did not have for the channel, but I wanted to get another pair to bring it to you guys and let you guys know what you're getting if you decide you want to pick up a pair. So let's unbox these bad boys and let's hook them up to the phone and let's just see what kind of features you get with them. So now that I got the AirPods unboxed, let's go ahead and hook them up to the phone. Now what you're going to see when you do this is, now I got the phone unlocked here, and I'm going to take it to the home screen. Now for the very first setup process, now side note, if you're using an Android phone, you'll hold that button down on the back and you'll pair it up that way like a normal set of Bluetooth headphones. But because of the A1 chip that's inside of these, I'm sorry, the W1 chip that's inside of these that pairs with Apple devices, it makes it so easy to pair them. So we're just going to open them up. And you see that light that came on to let you know that they are in pair mode. Keep them next to the phone and boom, AirPods. So we're going to hit connect and they're connecting. And there you go. So the case has 78%. The AirPods have 83% on each one. Now we're going to hit the done and we're going to take it to the settings real quick. I want to show you guys what you get when you use the AirPods. Now, Mike Man's AirPods. I'm going to tap on them here real quick. I'm going to put the AirPods down for a second. Now, I'm going to open them back up so it can connect. And most of the time, now you see how they pop back up at the bottom like it always does. Now you're going to hit that I right there. Now this is where you're going to get your features. Now you can go to the left side. You have play, pause, next track, previous track, or off. Now off means that it won't do anything. So if you have the headphones in your ear, now one thing about the headphones, when you take them out of your ear, it'll stop your music. When you put them back in your ear, it'll automatically start. If you have both in and you take one out, it'll automatically adjust the sound for the one ear that you do currently have the AirPod in. So those are the features that you get with each side. So play, pause, next track, previous track, off. And you double tap the side of it to get that to happen. Right now, they're both set up for Siri. You do get automatic ear detection, which allows you to automatically transfer the audio. Y'all can pause it and read it for yourself. So that's pretty much it. I can't do an actual test of what these sound like, obviously through the camera. So there's not really a point in me trying to do that. But just wanted to show you guys what you get. Battery life on these, including the case, using the case with the AirPods, you're going to get about 24 hours altogether. So if you don't have a pair of AirPods, I highly suggest you pick them up. These are definitely some amazing headphones. And for the sound quality, in regards to them being Bluetooth, they're definitely pretty nice. That's about how big they are. Just give you guys a little clue as to how big they are. So yeah, Apple AirPods. You can pick these up anywhere: Best Buy, Verizon, Amazon, AT&T, Target, anywhere. You can pick them up pretty much anywhere. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. Look forward to trying mine out. Oh, another thing, these do sync with your Apple Watch. So if you're an avid runner or if you like to go to the gym or you frequent places where you may not have your phone, these will sync up to your watch. So if you do have cellular service on your watch, or even if you don't, you could be somewhere like a gym, like I said, and you can use these with your watch independently. These also will work with all of your other Apple products. So these will work with any iPhone, any iPad, iMac, MacBook, anything. These will work with them flawlessly. So anyway, this has been your man, Mike. This is another edition of Mike's Tech Talk. Make sure you hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think. Are you using AirPods or are you using the standard Lightning connector headphones? Either way, peace.